how does it feel to be with the top team? WRT is obviously one of the most successful team in endurance racing. Stepping up from racing with private single-seater teams is quite a leap, I think. WRT on certain area is like professional factory team level, so I can easily learn many things with all the engineers, and having Robert and Louis, two very experienced racing drivers alongside me, I can also learn things from them. So I think racing this year will give me a lot of experience, and yeah, very looking forward to it. You play some simulation games like iRacing? Yes, I do. I started playing online racing simulation games when the quarantine started in March about. I did quite many official online races on rFactor 2. Especially we did official Le Mans 24 hours of Le Mans in June, I think, with Rebellion Williams Esports. So that was definitely one of the biggest experience, and we were fighting for the overall podium position until the end of the race, where we had an accident. So yeah, we were looking very strong, and that was a very good experience overall. And since the racing resumed, I haven't spent so much time anymore on online racing, because yeah, there's enough to do, training and other things in life. But I'm still continuing and doing sometimes special events like 24-hour Nürburgring and yeah, things like this, and also training before every race event to stay sharp. Yeah. So Robert, actually I've never met in real life. I would only watch him on TV, obviously, and heard about his legendary history about Formula 1 and rally, and then coming back to Formula 1. So it's always someone I respect a lot, and I know he's a driver with a huge talent. Louis, actually I was in a team sharing in the same team last year for the virtual 24-hour of Le Mans. He was in a different car, but we were in the same Rebellion Williams Esports team, so we already had some discussion before, had some talks before, so I know him already more or less, and he's a very nice guy, so very happy to be with them this year in the same team. Well, thank you very much. I think endurance racing, there are many experienced teams, and since the introduction of LMDH and LMH program in 2-3 years, it has attracted a lot of teams and drivers to come into the endurance racing. So it's the hardest time ever, I think, for young drivers to step in endurance racing. I think G-Drive Racing, the one which I was racing with in Asian Le Mans, which I won the championship of Asian Le Mans series with earlier this winter, they are one of the most favorite teams. And United Autosport, they have been successful. They have good lineup and good cars, and yeah, apart from that, there are some teams like IDEX Sports, Cool Racing. There are so many teams which have good lineup and good drivers, and yeah, we just have to make sure we do the best we can. We optimize everything, and yeah, push for the race victory. Actually, my name Yifei, the last part Fei stands fly in Chinese. So actually, if you pronounce my name in Chinese, part of the saying, part of the meaning is I'm flying somehow. So Robert had obviously an accident, unfortunately, a couple of years ago, but he recovered really well, and he was training really hard on the bike. So every time we are in the factory, he would tell us about 100-200 kilometers of his bike training the day before, so we are always impressed with that. He's definitely not someone you want to be going out with on a road bike, especially going uphill. So, and Louis is quite light as a racing driver. He's extremely light, so he would have very low drag from the weight point of view. So he will be also really fast, and